Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the Access Vanish on this 2017 Ram 1500. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we need to do is install our bulkhead seal. Now to do that, we're going to clean it with some alcohol. We're just going to clean it all the way down and let that dry a little bit. All right, now that we've allowed a little bit of time for our bulkhead to dry, we're going to take our seal. We're just going to peel back a little bit of our tape, and we're going to stick this so that the front part of our seal is going to be facing up, and it's going to be closest to the inside of the truck. We're going to start at the beginning of one side, and we're going to go all the way down to the opposite side. You want to make sure as you're pushing this down that you're applying a little bit of pressure. Once you get to the end, if you have any excess, you can just cut that off. So now we're going to take our passenger side rail. It's going to have a foam piece on the side that's going to meet up with our bed cap. It's going to have a Velcro strip along the top for our tarp, and it's also going to have a hole towards the cab side, and you're going to have a strike towards the tailgate. We're just going to set this up on our bed cap. We're going to push it as far to the rear as possible, and then we're going to use a couple squeeze clamps to hold it into position for right now. Now with our rail in place, we want to make sure the seal on the back of the rail is flush with our bed cap. And we're going to place our first clamp as far to the cab side as possible, making sure that our teeth in our clamp are meeting up with the teeth in the rail. And then we can go ahead and tighten that down with a 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench. Our second clamp is going to go in the middle of the rail. Again, make sure that your teeth are matching up, and then you can go ahead and tighten that one down. Now our third clamp is going to go as close to the tailgate as possible. Again, making sure our teeth are lining up. Then we can go ahead and tighten that down. Now our rail's locked into position. We can remove our squeeze clamps, and then we can repeat that process on the other side. Next, we're going to install our tension adjuster to our header. Now they're going to be labeled left and right. Left would be for your driver, right would be for your passenger, and they're going to install with a large bolt and washer directly into the nut that is set inside the channel in the header. We're just going to leave that loose for right now. We're going to do that on both sides. So now we can set the cover on our rails. We're going to roll our header to the back, and then we're going to slide it up against our bulkhead seal, making sure our storage loops are face out and the little weather strip is to the inside. Now we can take our tension adjuster and slide it all the way over. The front part should slide underneath the rail. The part with the knob is going to go underneath the rail as well. We're going to line our two holes up. There should be a hole in our tension adjuster and a hole in our rail. We're going to take our provided bolt, put it through the top of our rail into our tension adjuster, and on the bottom we're going to put a washer and a nut. We're going to leave those loose for right now, and we're going to repeat that on the opposite side. Now with both sides in, we can go ahead and tighten down our hardware. And that's going to be a 1/2-inch bolt on the back of the tension adjuster, and on the front that's also going to be a 1/2-inch bolt. So as you're tightening this down, you want to make sure that your header is in the middle of the rails. We're going to repeat that on the opposite side as well. So now we can roll our cover back. While we're doing this, we're going to check for any adjustments that need to be made, and we're going to check for tension on our tarp. So your tension should be set at factory. Ours looks pretty good. No adjustments need to be made. But if you did, all you need to do is turn the start knob on your tension adjusters. Make sure you do it equally on each side. All right guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.